Welcome back to our SANGAU property management series. For landlords and property managers across Bengaluru, one of the toughest balancing acts is keeping maintenance costs under control without compromising on quality or tenant satisfaction. Regular property upkeep is not just a necessity, it's a strategy to protect your investment, improve tenant retention, and prevent expensive emergency repairs. The best part? You don't need to overspend to keep your property in excellent condition. In this video, we're diving into 10 smart ways to save money on regular maintenance tasks while maintaining high standards of safety, comfort, and efficiency. One priority is preventive maintenance over reactive repairs. Being proactive is always cheaper than being reactive. Preventive maintenance, such as servicing HVAC systems before summer, clearing gutters before the monsoon, or checking rooftops after storms, can significantly reduce your long-term repair costs. For example, regularly replacing air filters may only cost a few hundred rupees, but ignoring them could lead to AC repairs worth thousands. Create a recurring maintenance calendar for each property to catch potential issues before they become costly emergencies. 2. Build long-term relationships with reliable vendors. Choosing the cheapest contractor each time can backfire. Inconsistent service, hidden charges, and subpar work often end up costing more in the long run. By working with trusted long-term vendors, you can benefit from loyalty discounts, better quality, and faster service. Vendors often prioritize regular clients, and you won't have to spend time vetting new professionals for every job. If you manage several properties, use your scale to negotiate even better deals. 3. Educate tenants on simple maintenance practices. Informed tenants can reduce your maintenance burden. Teaching them to handle minor issues, like using a plunger for blocked drains, resetting circuit breakers, or turning off the water valve during leaks, can save on unnecessary service calls. Provide a user-friendly tenant maintenance guide during move-in, and consider sharing short instructional videos or WhatsApp notes. Empowering tenants with basic upkeep knowledge contributes to smoother property management and fewer emergency calls. For standardized fixtures and appliances across all units. Managing multiple rental units, standardization can lead to big savings. Use the same models of light fixtures, faucets, fans, and appliances across properties. This makes maintenance faster and more efficient, reduces the number of spare parts needed, and simplifies training for your service staff. Buying in bulk also brings significant cost benefits. A consistent approach minimizes downtime and increases the longevity of your fixtures and systems. 5. Stick to a seasonal maintenance schedule. Each season comes with its own maintenance needs. Conduct pre-summer checks on cooling systems. Inspect pipe insulation and test water heaters before winter. Ahead of the monsoon, make sure your roof drainage and windows are ready to withstand heavy rain. Seasonal maintenance prevents sudden failures and extends the life of your infrastructure. Use reminders and checklists to ensure seasonal tasks are completed on time, ideally a couple weeks before the season starts. 6. Opt for multi-year service contracts. For ongoing services like pest control, plumbing checks, or HVAC maintenance, opting for multi-year service agreements can lock in lower rates and secure priority service. These contracts often save 10 to 20% annually compared to one-off visits. They also streamline operations. There's no need to renegotiate each time, and most vendors offer automatic scheduling to ensure nothing is missed. It's a win-win for efficiency and budgeting. 7. Use digital tools to manage maintenance efficiently. Digital platforms simplify property management and make tracking maintenance more transparent. Mobile apps or customized WhatsApp bots allow tenants to report issues, submit images, and monitor resolution progress. Property managers benefit from having a centralized history of all maintenance activities, which helps identify recurring problems and track vendor performance. Switching to digital reduces delays, prevents duplication, and enhances tenant satisfaction through clear communication. 8. Bulk buy essential supplies with inventory tracking. Buying frequently used items like filters, insect sprays, cleaning supplies, and plumbing components in bulk can lead to big savings. But it's crucial to track your inventory to avoid overstocking or product expiry. Maintain a simple spreadsheet or use an app to monitor usage and reorder cycles. You could even collaborate with fellow property owners in your area to place pooled orders and get wholesale rates. More volume, more value. 9. Choose low maintenance, durable materials for repairs. Think long-term when selecting materials for repairs or upgrades. Opt for moisture-resistant, rust-proof, or stain-proof materials wherever possible. While the upfront cost may be slightly higher, the long-term savings from reduced replacements and repairs can be substantial. For instance, using vitrified tiles instead of regular ceramic or PVC cabinets instead of wood in bathrooms can reduce water-related damage and maintenance calls. 10. Monitor utility consumption to detect inefficiencies. If your utility bills are rising, it may point to hidden maintenance issues like leaking taps, faulty flush tanks, or inefficient lighting. Conduct regular audits of water and electricity usage and compare trends across units. Implement small upgrades like low-flow fixtures, LED lighting, and automatic water level controllers. Encourage tenants to report wasteful habits and reward those who support sustainable living. Smart resource management directly translates into cost savings. Bonus tip: keep a centralized preventive maintenance calendar. Having preventive maintenance calendar isn't just convenient, it's essential. This tool ensures you don't miss recurring maintenance tasks like monthly filter changes, quarterly plumbing inspections, or annual roof checks. Use digital reminders to stay ahead of the curve and maintain a bird's-eye view of your property's health. A simple calendar or checklist helps you avoid expensive surprises and gives you better budget control. At SANGAU, we specialize in proactive property maintenance that protects your investment and saves you time and money. Our systems are designed for efficiency, from standardized practices and reliable vendors to seasonal planning and tenant education. If you're looking for hassle-free, cost-effective maintenance solutions in Bengaluru, let SANGAU handle it for you. Enjoyed the video? Don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more smart property management tips, and share this video with fellow landlords, investors, or property managers. Have your own cost-saving tip? Leave it in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.